Hey everybody on YouTube, this is Rude Boy, and today I'm back with a new video. I'm going to be unboxing the OCZ Vertex 2 solid state drive. What makes this solid state drive different from the previous solid state drives from OCZ is that it comes with the new SandForce controllers, which gives it a better boost in performance. Now, previously from my other solid state drive, my OCZ Vertex 250 gig hard drive, let's see, it has much better read and write performance. Now my old one used to do, I believe, 150, 160 read. This does 285, or I believe the old one did 250. I could be wrong. Now I know for a fact the write on this is 10 times better. This one does 275. My old one did like 150 to 160. Okay, so this one definitely has a boost in performance. Now, another thing that I like about this solid state drive is it comes with a mounting bracket, which I will show you guys. Also, from what I heard, this performs much better than the Intel G2 drives. Okay, now let me just get to the unboxing and show you guys what comes inside of this. Give me 1 second. Let me put the camera down. Okay, I got it. Alright. So basically what we have here is, this is the mounting bracket from OCZ. Now this is pretty cool because I had to buy an IC dock for my last system, which costed 20 bucks, and this, this solid state drive comes with one. It has like an all black matte finish to it, with the OCZ logo on here. Now, comes with the the regular packaging, the all black packaging. Has this manual, just like the old one. Oh, this is pretty funny. This is new. My SSD is faster than your HDD, and yes, it is. So all those kids who's leaving me comments telling me their HDD outperforms my solid state drive, please don't lie, because everyone knows even your RAID 0 setups are not gonna outperform a single solid state drive, especially these new OCZ Vertex 240 gig hard drives. Okay, it also comes with some screws. I believe this is for the mounting bracket. Now, anyone looking for a mounting bracket, I might be selling this because I have no need for this. My Corsair Obsidian already has a bracket for solid state drives. And without further ado, we've got the solid state drive. And it comes with an anti-static bag. Right here, okay. So anyway, I'm going to install this on later on tonight. I'm gonna run some benchmarks, install Windows, and once I'm done, I'll make a new video for you guys. So please subscribe, rate, and comment. Thank you very much. Enjoy.